Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Redmi Watch 2 Lite smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, design, what materials it is made of, what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it uses, and what option do we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new Redmi Watch 2 Lite. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. As you can see in the box we have the watch, and as you can see it's a really beautiful watch. Then underneath we have the manual that shows us how to use it. Next is the charging cable to charge our watch. Now here is the watch with its protective plastics which we will take off, and as you can see it has the TPU black straps which are really great with adjustable length from 140 to 210 millimeters, and you can get it on different colors like ivory, black, blue, pink, olive, brown. It has a 41.2 millimeters height, 35.3 millimeters width, 10.7 millimeters thickness with a very durable glass, and it weighs around 35 g including the strap. It has 1.55-inch square and thin film transistor, TFT, screen and a colorful resolution of 320 by 360. Bigger screen to body ratio, 10% increase from previous model Mi Watch Lite, and a better visual and touch control experience. As for battery life, it can last from up to 10 days under typical usage mode, or up to 5 days under heavy usage mode, with 262 mAh power battery which recharges in about 3 hours with a magnetic charging port. Also, this watch has a waterproof level of 5 atm. It also has a high-precision GPS which supports the 4 global major positioning systems: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS. So, let's go inside and see what options and apps we have here. If you sweep down you have the notifications which we don't have at the moment. If you sweep up, we have options like Do Not Disturb which you can program, flashlight to turn it on and off, raise to wake, wake for 5 minutes, alarm and then settings. You also have plenty of apps that are presented like widgets if you swipe left or right, like steps, heart rate, health monitoring and workout where you have trackers like outdoor running, walking treadmill, trail run, cycling and freestyle. Then we have weather where you can program your city with GPS, and in the end, we have sleep, but you can set your widgets, which ones you want to be shown and which not, based on your favorites. As you can see here, if we touch the button, it shows the app screen with all the apps inside like workout, activity, step stats where it shows your everyday stats, calories burnt and standing time. Then we have heart rate where it measures your heart rate, average and the heart rate zone. Also, we've got the SO2 measurement, as well as stress measurement, breathing measurement, cycles, weather and music, and the camera to connect with your phone. Next, we have the alarm, stopwatch and timer. Also, it has a really good compass which works pretty great. Notifications if you have any. And in the end, we've got settings where the first option is to watch faces where we can choose a new face for our watch based on your preferences. And as you can see, we have a variety of them to choose from. Other options are brightness where you can choose your preferred level from 1 to 5. Do Not Disturb which you can turn on and off, workout which you can choose to auto-detect running and walking. We also have the pin, Bluetooth to connect your watch with your phone where you can set a disconnection reminder. display which has the auto lock option and cover to sleep option, also vibration, and then system, which serves to reboot, power off and reset. And in the end, we have the about, which tells us the watch name, model, MAC address, version, and serial number. Now what we're going to do is test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, and in the end, we have measures, so let's give it a try. It has a built-in high-precision PPG sensor to track your heart rate 24 hours a day, and sends an alert when an abnormal heart rate is detected. As you can see, it takes a couple of seconds, and then it shows your current heart rate. Next, let's try the SpO2 or blood oxygen saturation, which indicates the amount of oxygen in our blood. You can get this measurement anytime, anywhere for peace of mind. It also supports continuous SpO2 tracking during sleep. This as well takes some time, and it shows your current state of O2 levels. We can also see our stress measurements because it detects that too. As well as sleep monitoring that provides detailed reports of deep sleep, light sleep and REM stages to help you find out what is going on during your sleep. And then, a breathing measurement to show us how good our breathing is. I really enjoyed reviewing this watch, and it's a really great watch, so I strongly recommend it. It's really durable, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps does it uses, and what options do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.